Welcome to NVP channel. Today, we will embark on a beautiful adventure, exploring the vibrant world of forest birds, from melodious chirping to brilliant colors. Every wonder is waiting for you. Rainforests are home to hundreds of different bird species. Did you know that each bird has its own unique characteristics? Like the red-crowned crane with its bright red plumage, or the kingfisher with its amazing ability to dive into the water to catch its prey. These tiny birds play a vital role in keeping the forest alive. They disperse seeds, help trees grow, and control pests, ensuring ecological balance. But unfortunately, the habitats of birds are seriously threatened. Deforestation, environmental pollution, and illegal hunting have put many species at risk of extinction. If we do not act, will there still be birds singing in the future? To protect these little friends, we can do very simple things: plant trees, Limit the use of products that destroy the environment. And raise awareness about protecting nature. Every small action today will bring great benefits for the future. You are watching NVP channel, a place to share love for nature. Let's spread the message of protecting wildlife. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow so we can continue to explore this amazing world. Thank you and see you again.